How to access OneDrive files offline. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to access the files offline, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to access the files offline, tap on the three dot lines at the right corner of the file right here. Then here you can find Make Available Offline right here, the option. Now tap onto this button right here. Now select it. And now you can see the offline file has been accessed. Now do the same process for other files as well, just like this. Now go to offline right here, tap on it. And now you can see the files has been accessed to offline. And that's it. This is how you can access OneDrive files offline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.